Make a great choice today with
the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, hill descent control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.